I think we need to go a little bigger. Let's blow up a car. We'll start small, but it's still a Lambo.
Well, I think that having a body on its own was probably the down factor to this. If we had something built especially where it actually contained the explosion.
Yeah, because it was just sort of like the sort of top of the car.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, if it had all the innards, the wheels and everything, it might have exploded the wheels out and stuff. But I mean, overall result wasn't what we wanted it to be, but like we say, it was just the top of the car.
Yeah.
So maybe we should try this again
With a real car.
with the full car instead of just the frame of the car. Oh, just get over it.
Oh,
It's not working. This is what we need. Like I said, we need a full car.
Well, that was highly explosive. It didn't work quite as we planned, but that's what experiments are all about. Shit happens. On with the next one. That was fun.
Do you think that was a success?
Oh yes, especially like, well, explosives.
What was your best explosion?
Oh, not too sure. Probably the cake.
I think the cake might have been the best thing. I think we should go back to the office and we'll check out the footage, see which one was the best.
In Slo-Mo.
See you later.
Coming up in the next video, Watermelon goes bye-bye! You don't want to miss it!